Here we are with Loris and his prize Springer Spaniel, Uma, truffle hunting. Not far from our house, about 7 kilometers from Assisi. And there goes Uma. What a nose, what a nose. She's digging. Not here? Quino. Looking for the truffles.
Brava. Brava, Ciccio.
Ma c'era?
Come c'era? Brava, Ciccio.
Can I see? Loris, fammele vedere. Ma sono tartufi?
Yes.
Oh my God. Yes, he says. Mamma mia, Uma. Ma, she gets her reward. Good girl, Uma. Is this exciting or what? Nose to the ground. Mamma mia, another truffle. And they're not even deep. Non sono manco tanti profondi, eh?
No, questi no.
They're not deep. Questo che è? Tartufo nero?
Moscato.
Moscato, he's calling it. Black truffle. You can hear the bells ringing up on the church of Santo Stefano, not far from here. I found another one. Un'altra? Posso vedere? Let's see, Loris. Oh! Ma quanti ha trovato fino ad adesso? Let's see how many she's already found.
Ha trovato.
She did well this morning. Oh, mamma mia, Loris.
Uma,
Oh.
Qua. Non l'ho buttato?
Did we lose one? He found it.
Fermo, Uma.
See, my Loris has got...
Uma. C'è. Bravo.
Loris has got the eye, too. Uma c'ha il naso, ma tu c'hai l'occhio. Uma's got the nose, and you've got the eye. Oh, mamma.
Uma. L'ho buttata, brava. Brava, Ciccio.
Oh, mamma mia.
Brava.
Mamma mia. Passa il tartufo oggi, no?
Sì, questo è per Giovannino.
Ah,
Servono.
see? He said at Giovannino's restaurant nearby, they need truffles. And this is where they're going, and they're going to be in their pasta with black truffle.
Dove? Fate. Dove? Vero? Ecco.
Got another one.
Piccolo.
This is a little one. Ma come lo trovi, Loris? I don't even know how Loris finds it. And he can... Even Loris, anche tu lo senti in mezzo al fango. Even Loris picks it up, the smell, in the midst of the mud. Boy, Uma knows what she's looking for. He's been offered a few €1,000 for this dog and won't sell her. Obviously, she's a wealth of truffle.
Bravo. Ecco. Guarda il lumagone, lo mangiava? Lumagone. Dentro il tartufo, guarda.
He said there was a snail inside the truffle.
Questo si stia a mangiare tartufosi.
Ah,
Si è mangiato tutto il tartufo.
it was a snail in there
Tieni.
eating the truffle.
Però questo lo lasciamo perché ha mangiato il tartufo
So we're leaving this behind,
e
the
si
snail,
produce le spore.
because he ate the truffle. So that snail can leave the spores of other truffle and therefore will not be killed.
Dai, basta, ti ho fatto mangiare. Quanto va a mangiare? Dove? Ferma, 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 ferma.
Che c'è?
Truffle.
There it is. What's there? Truffle. Mamma mia. Uma, you're doing such a good job.
Vieni.
It was here somewhere.
Fadi, qua.
Where is it? Where is it?
Dove? Dove l'ho buttato? Vieni.
No, we haven't got it. Allora, Loris, mille grazie. Ciao Uma, mille grazie.